Most freelancers think that clients are all about experience and skills. But what if I told you that there's one thing that trumps everything else? Imagine knowing exactly what makes clients say, "You're hired." Keep watching because today I'm gonna reveal the secret sauce that makes clients choose you over everybody else. And it's actually not what you think. So if you're ready, grab your pen, grab your paper, and let's get started. Here's the issue. Many freelancers solely focus on showcasing skills or past experiences. But in return, they still hear nothing. They still get crickets from the clients. And let me explain why this happens, right? 1. They focus on technical skills, too technical skills, and not build a personal connection. Number 2, they overlook the importance of confidence and clear communication. And number 3 is that they fail to articulate their value proposition in a unique way that resonates with the clients. But here's the good news, because there's a way to bridge this gap and become irresistible to clients. Okay, so the key in order to capturing the client's attention is showcasing confidence and clarity in your communication. Here's how. Number 1, confidence. You have to really believe in the value that you bring, and it will shine through in every interaction that you have. So confidence is not just puffing up your chest and being confident, but really acknowledging what you've done through the past work that you did, right? In the previous video, I walk you through the methods of answering questions, STAR method, and all of that, for you to actually internalize the results you've done for clients in order to feel confident and let that shine through. Number 2 is clarity. You want to communicate your process in a way that showcases how you're different in very clear and simple terms. By having clarity in a process and a framework of answering other questions from clients, you will be able to not be nervous and convey the results you can deliver for clients. All right, so let's take this to the real world. Let's say you're in an interview and a client asks you, "Why should we hire you for this job?" What you can do, being confident, being clear, you can hire me because I specialize in helping businesses like yours achieve a specific goal in a set amount of time frame, and I've also done it with clients in the past, and I'd love to see how I can also do it for you. And from there, the clients could be impressed. They could say, "Hey, actually you're right. We've seen it, you've explained it, you've broke down your process, and you are the right person for the job. Let's give you a chance." So in this scenario, the freelancer did not just sell their skills and their technical abilities, she sold those with confidence and clarity, making her stand out. So even if you have other freelancers that have more years of experience, more technical background, but cannot communicate it in this way, there's an obvious choice on who the client will give preference to. Okay, so here's the last bit. Here's my challenge for you. Challenge time. Practice explaining your value proposition in a confident and clear way, right? When you find yourself in an interview with a client and they ask you these questions, address them with confidence, with clarity, and then let us know. Let us know in the comments below if any of these techniques help you in landing your online freelance job. And we'll read them, we'll share them, we'll react to them. And then again, we'll see you on the next one. Before you go, one last bit. Have you ever been asked by a prospect or a potential client to explain your last experience and you don't know what to say? You don't know how to explain your past experience? Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe and get notified, because in the next one, I'm gonna break down how you can answer these questions and make every single detail count in helping you land that online freelance job. All right, so again, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.